Good afternoon, welcome to the tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make an Excel graph with exponents. So first, what you want to do is you're going to want to go to a web browser, and then you want to type in ourworldindata.org/charts. Now, here, there's a lot of here, and then what you want to look for is you want to look for coronavirus disease COVID-19, right? You just want to click on it, and then on the top there are two biweekly change and biweekly confirm. Now you want to use the biweekly confirm cases. Always remember to pick the cases, not the deaths, not the change, but the cases. Alright, you just click on it. And then it shows you this nice uh, map. That's very nice. See? Yeah. It's like Plague Inc., but instead of red, it's blue. Alright, so what you want to do is you just want to go straight ahead to download. Okay? And then it's gonna download a CSV, right? And there you have it. There's the CSV. Now, for this tutorial purposes, I am going to be showing you uh, one country only. You wanna double click that just so it looks nicer. Right, there we go. I'm going to be using Afghanistan because it's on the top. And then so in order to use Afghanistan, you are going to want to click on the country after Afghanistan, and then you wanna drag down to all the way to the bottom until Zimbabwe, and then you wanna shift click on the right, the number, right? Shift click over there, and then just delete. There we go. That's done. Now, what the teacher wants is that she wants you to have a trend line, and the trend line has to be exponential. The problem is, if you want an exponential trend line, uh, there cannot be any number zero or negative, right? So what you want to do is you just wanna take everything that has zero in it. It's up until 44 on Afghanistan, and you just wanna click it, and then you wanna delete. We can't use that. We cannot solve that. And then we have this one, right? The teacher only wants it up until June 1st, right? 1st of June. So everything under uh, 1st of June, you can just delete. Delete. Right. Now, all you need to do is just move everything on here up to the top, up top, uh, Control X, and then just paste it over up here. Control V. There we go. Right. Now everything is clear, right? Wrong. Everything's not clear, right? So you want to make the chart, right? The chart, in order to go to chart, you have to go to insert, and then she wants you to be using this scatter type, right? Now, the problem with this is that she still wants you to have a trend line, right? Now, here's a problem with trend lines. Trend lines not only can it not work with the number 0 or negative, it also cannot work with dates, right? So for an example, if I add a trend line, and then I'll just click on the trend line here, right? Format it. If I put it on exponential right now, it's gonna disappear. Boom, it's just gone. Right, let me make it clearer. Change the color to orange and width to 2 points. And then here it is in linear, you see? Uh, there it is on linear, an orange line. But when you change it to exponential, boom, it's just gone. Where did it go? You might be wondering. Well, let me tell you, it just doesn't exist simply because we're using dates on the bottom. See, that's a problem. So what you want to do is you want to delete this, delete the chart. That's it. Now what you want to do is you just want to move this to the right by one block. Control X and then Control V over here. You want to add a new column, right? Just call it week, right? What you want to do on this column is you want to type in 1 and 2, right? And then just with that, drag it all the way to the bottom and down until 99, 98. Yeah, okay. That's the last number. And now that you have this, all you want to do is you want to click on this one and then shift click on the bottom right to select all, and then go to insert and go to scatter again. Now just move this to all the way to the top. There we go, all the way to the top. Maybe make it larger if you want, if you're into that kind of thing. Right. Now what you want to do is you put in a legend, just so it looks nicer, and then you want to put in a trend line. There we go, a trend line, nice trend line. Click the trend line, and then you have this format trend line options. Next, you want to go to exponential. Boom, you have it. That's the exponential. Let me make it clearer. Set it to 2. Set it, and then I'm gonna set the color to yellow. There we go. There it is. There's your trend line. There's your equation, and the legend here. All right. Uh, there's something else that you might want to be doing, which is this data points, right? You take a look at the data points and you think something's wrong with it. It doesn't have a line. Well, it's really simple, honestly. You just have to click on one of the things, right? Just click on the data point. There you go. You have it. And just go to line and just give it a solid line. Ooh, boom, it's green. You want to see it better? Alright. No fill then. No fill. See, there's a line. You wanna make it look nicer? That's easy. Just change it to blue. There we go. There you have it. You have the line. You have the equation. You have literally everything you need. I still can't figure out why you need numbers here instead of the weeks. Uh, if you have any information on how to do that, you can like give it to me. And then you wanna save this thing as an Excel workbook, because otherwise it just change it to like, I don't know, COVID Afghan, and then just change the type to Excel workbook because it looks nicer, and then you just want to save it. There you go, you have it. Here's your chart, here's your data, all the way from February to June. Right, as I've been informed, you only need it every 2 weeks, so you can just cut off every 2 weeks. Uh, but if you can already see it, it only updates every 2 weeks, anyways. You know, so there's really no problem there. All right, that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.